Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we explain how to record a video of a computer screen, mouse pointer, and microphone sound in Linux Ubuntu. Here is the motivation for creating this video tutorial. A number of viewers of this channel asked me how do I record videos of my screen, mouse pointer, and microphone sound in Ubuntu Linux. In this tutorial, I explain how to perform this important task that you will most likely need to perform if you want to create a tutorial or a presentation of your work. To record the video, I use a program called Kazam or Kazam. This is a very nice and easy to use program for recording the computer screen. Actually, I'm currently using Kazam to record this video tutorial. Okay, let's start with explanations. The first step is to install Kazam. For that purpose, open a terminal window and first run sudo apt-get update, enter your password, and after that run this command. Okay, as you can see over here, all the requirements are satisfied. This is because I've already run this command before. To install Kazam, you need to type this: sudo apt-get install Kazam. And here it is. Again, as you can see over here, I already installed Kazam. However, in your case, you will see the installation progress. Next, let's check the Kazam version. And here it is. Next, let's learn how to start the Kazam program and how to adjust the recording properties, such that you can properly record the videos. To do that, click over here and type Kazam over here. Here it is. First of all, make sure that this option is selected. This option will ensure that we will record the mouse cursor, and make sure that this option is also selected. That is, that we are recording the sound from the microphone. I assume that you attach the microphone to your computer. In my case, I'm using a USB microphone, and we will have to do several adjustments regarding the microphone. I will explain this later on in this video tutorial. Over here, you can adjust how many seconds to wait before capturing. Usually I use 3 seconds. Next, click on File, click on Preferences. And over here, it's very important to select the microphone. You can see that I only have a single microphone. However, in your case, you might have several microphones. Next, click here and adjust the frame rate. Usually I use 30 frames per second to record these videos. And I use this option, H.264 MP4, to record my videos. You can select some other options. However, I discovered that this option only works. That is, if you select some other options, you might be able to record the video. However, you might not be able to record the sound. Maybe on your computer will work. So experiment. Okay, that's it. Now, another thing that you need to adjust is to make sure that the volume of your microphone is properly set. You need to adjust that in Linux Ubuntu. So click over here and search for Settings by typing Settings. Now, under Settings, find Sound, and over here make sure that the volume is increased. For example, what can happen? Actually now not recording. However, if the volume is like this, I'm recording. Let me show you this again. Consequently, you were not able to hear anything. So make sure that the volume is properly set. This is very important. Now close. And now you're ready to record. Since I'm already recording my screen, if I press here again, I will not be able to record the video. However, in your case, to record the video, you need to click on Capture. Then the countdown process will start. You will have 3, 2, 1, and you will be able to record the video. Now, since I'm currently recording the video, you can see this small camera symbol over here with the red circle. This camera will appear if Kazam is recording. To stop recording, you need to click on this camera and click on Finish Recording. After that, you will see a screen, and this screen will give you an option to save the file. Usually I save my files as MP4 files, that is, they're actually automatically saved like that, and they're saved in a folder, and here you have to be very careful. They're saved in this folder, in the videos folder. To get to the videos folders, click on File and click on Videos. And here are the files. Currently I only have 2 files. However, if you want to save the files in some other folder, you can specify that once you stop recording. That is, once you click here, Finish Recording, you can specify the folder for saving the files. And basically that's it. However, before I complete this video tutorial, I want to show you another thing. There is a shortcut for starting the recording process. To do that, you need to click on Windows plus Control plus R. This will start the recording process. To stop the recording process, you need to press Windows key plus Control plus F. The Windows keys is actually a key on your keyboard that has a Windows symbol. Although you're using Linux, you can still use this key. Okay, that would be all for today. I hope that you liked this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks a lot.